piling up more and more. Previously we used to take 500 tons in the year about 2008. 2009 we used to get about 550 570 tons of waste. Right now if we consider, we are getting 725 750, even we touch to 800 tons mark sometimes. So due to the increase in waste, we are heading towards lot of complications and problems. That's the main thing. Regarding this, we have approached BBMP to acquiring 100 acres of land, which they have promised during their concessionary agreement, but it haven't fulfilled yet. There might be some problem with BBMP people in producing land.
And more important, actually, we don't have any more the landfill places. So we have been talking to the BBMP and also issued notices to them. In fact, this year we have still not given them the authorization for handling the Mavalipura facility because of the inadequacy in handling the entire material.
So, the unit is not able to control the overload in the site. The private unit complains that every time the BBMP officials come for a visit or inspection, these issues are raised, but all in vain. The liquid waste from the dump is allowed to stagnate in a ditch next to the dump and slowly finds its way into surface and then groundwater.
So, from our side, actually efforts are there, and the only thing that we can do is to issue a closure order. But where will you send? You see, that is not a solution actually. Issue a closure order is not a solution.
We find 2 or 3 problems because of the garbage nearby this hospital. One is the smell, the foul smell. Whenever it rains, immediately after rain, 3 or 4 days, the smell is so much that even patients say, "What is this smell? We can't live here." That is one main problem we are facing. Second is the garbage, the vehicles. The road is very bad here. The vehicles, it is a big vehicle. So the patients, they are coming in the vehicle while going, while coming, they face a lot of difficulty. The BBMP, we have appealed. They said that no, we have come first, so you have come later. So you should have selected the site, a better site. As far as the hospital is concerned, why did you come? That was their question.
It is an enormous problem. The policymakers, the government level, and also the BBMP has got to think of this. But as far as we are concerned, actually, as regulators, we have been giving a sort of great danger signal that things are not good. It has got to improve, and mandates have been given by the Lok Adalat also to BBMP with some time frame given and all that. We can drag some of the people who are in the local bodies to the court, because we have provisions actually. The ultimate measure that is initiated by the Pollution Control Board. But that's again is not a solution, in the sense actually how many officers or how many people you can actually drag to the court. They are all governmental set up people and all that.
The mug stops here. Almost all the Bangalore's e-waste, plastic waste and wet waste land in Bangalore out here. As you can see, this gives rise to uncontrolled contamination of air and water. Activist says Mavalipura landfill violates every norm of Forest and Environmental Department, besides making life hell for the 3000 villagers near Mavalipura. The city's top civic authority has no immediate solution. The villagers here are paying the price for Bangalore's unplanned growth.
Over the years, all drinking water sources in the area have been adversely affected, and the threat looms large of contaminating the Arkavati river, a major drinking water source of Bangalore. Children are not safe, and people in this village are developing serious health problems, especially breathing ailments from inhaling toxic gases emitted from recycling the waste, and they cannot also eat properly due to fly infestation, and mosquitoes are already giving them a hard time.
The hideous condition is a result of urban and rural population of the city and the protest has not yielded any positive results.
When will the corporation give them the due value and realize that they are also human beings?
We are playing our role to hasten the process, but perhaps maybe they have their own constraints for not doing this. But as I said, you can't act on everybody actually.
As a chairman of this control board, you have the authority to take action against BBMP.
Of course, we have been taking actually. In fact, a number of senior officers are facing the sort of court cases.
So whatever the steps you are going to take must be fast.
It should be fast actually. It should be fast. You should ask these questions to the BBMP commissioner. Ask him actually as to what he has to say.
When we contacted the mayor, he said he is not the concerned person, and the BBMP commissioner was not ready to comment on the same. So, where does the muck stop?